What's up, everybody? This is Mike Menzies for MVM Nation with Kai Mani. Kai from the Kai and KK Toy Show. Let's show them, oh, here, Kai, show them where the ducks are. We're doing this nature view vlog, feeding the ducks, birds, fish, whatever will eat the food. Look at all the geese and seagulls and ducks right here. They're all going back over there. Look at that. Make sure you like this video, guys, comment on it, view it in full, and throw them thumbs up and turn the post notification on for my channel, MVM Nation, and the Kai and KK Toy Show. This will be on his channel as well. Okay, throw them some.
I'm trying to get the new
Okay,
one.
lean closer and throw them some food. Bread. Throw a big piece so we can show them all right in the middle of them, so we can show them like fighting over it or something.
See? Just like that.
Get the geese and the ducks over there. Just trying to get some seagulls, but they don't land in the water, so they probably won't. Here, throw them some stuff.
Alright, we got some. Look at some birds.
I'm gonna throw them a piece, guys. Ready? Come in.
In the middle.
Let us know. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know if you like this nature vlog, us feeding the birds and the fish and the ducks and whatever else. Let us know. Leave a comment. Like it. Share it. Tell people about our channel, his channel, and his sister's channel, the Kai and KK Toy Show. I try to leave the link in the description. Check out their channel. Show them some love on all their videos. Like, share, view, and comment their videos, including this one. And mine's too. Check out my vlogs, story times, pranks, challenges. Show me what you care and show me you love my channel. I can't even think right now. Having fun with my nephew Kai. Right, Kai? Having fun? You like feeding the fish and ducks and stuff?
And the geese.
And the geese, goose, whatever, yeah. Oh, they're fighting!
You saw that? It bit its tail. The poor geese or goose is barely getting some.
Ooh.
Right, Uncle? Uncle, right?
Yep.
Or you saw a goose, geese, whatever, eat a fish.
View this in full, guys. Like it, share it, comment on it. Visit our channels. My channel, MVM Nation. Check out all my other videos. Pranks, vlogs, challenges, story times. Also, my nephew's channel and my niece's. He does more videos on it than she does, but she's in it. Kai and KK Toy Show. Like their videos, view them, share them, comment on them. Yeah.
Geese.
I know, try to eat the seaweed and all the junk underneath this river. It's a nice scenery though, guys, right? I'll show you the scenery real quick. See, the walkway, the bridge, nice river walk all the way across. Nice skyline and view. This is behind the UMass Sangha Center.
Have some more.
UMass Lowell Sangha Center.
Have some more.
Yep, hold on, I'm gonna go, yeah, right there on the floor. I'm gonna go show them some of this bridge right here. Look at this, guys. Beautiful scenery with the trees and everything else, right? Today is Friday, August what? Hold on.
I looked at the thing and it's not there.
Today's what? August 8th? Friday, August 8th? Or 9th, 2019, in this nature vlog. Look at all that crap under the water. We attracted a lot of them there, huh, Kai?
Yep.
Look at the geese too. Just don't bring those seagulls over here. They'll attack you.
I know.
Look at them all, huh?
I like how they slide.
Oh yeah, slide in the water. Yeah, you can do it. Just have fun. Just do little by little so it'll last. Look.
Imagine the seagulls coming.
Huh?
Look at those.
What are those? Yeah, those are the really dark ducks.
They're like And they got some.
Huh?
They got some bread over there. Those dark stuff.
Yeah. People come this way, walk their dogs and stuff, have fun, enjoy enjoy the scenery. I like coming here when he sleeps over, and it allows him to have fun. Yeah, I'll hold this
I'm gonna
mute.
go check on the food.
That's fine. Nobody's gonna eat it. It's there. It's fine. It's cool, beautiful scenery, right, guys? Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know how's your day been on this Friday afternoon, August 9th, 2019. Lowell, Massachusetts, and the Merrimack Riverwalk Boardwalk behind the UMass Sanger Center. Yeah, let's go back and check on it. Do you think they will eat? Do you think they get enough food? Yeah?
Yeah, let's go over there.
No, I like being right here. This is cool where they all are, huh?
Look, we're almost done the bread.
All right, guys. This is it for now. We're having fun with Kai, right, Kai?
Yeah.
We'll check you guys later for the next video. Say peace. Tell them to check out all your other videos.
Peace out. Check out all my videos. Share, like,
View, comment.
comment on them too.
Okay, say peace, bye.
Peace.
Say thank you to all your supporters on your channel.
Thank you to all the supporters.
Tell them to help your channel grow and get more subscribers.
Help my channel grow and
Tell people about it, right?
tell people about it.
Okay, guys, we'll check you out. This is Mike Menzies and Kai from the Kai and KK Toy Show. Be sure to check out his channel. I'll leave the link in the description, and my channel and all our videos. Like them, share them, view them, comment on them. Till next time, Mike Menzies for MVM Nation. Thank you to all my loyal supporters that I call my family, extended family of MVM Nation. Thank you. Peace, one love. Friday, August 9th, 2019. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Peace. Love ya.